Hello everyone, welcome to Black Squirrel Homestead. I'm Andrea and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite decluttering methods. Now decluttering is incredibly important because it is a huge safety issue. It can be a tripping hazard, it can also be a fire hazard, and even just stress and anxiety and all kinds of health problems that can stem from having too much stuff. So today we're going to start out by talking about the clothing that's in your closet. So my favorite method of decluttering my closet is the suitcase method. The suitcase method is really simple. It's just, what clothes would I pack if I were going on vacation? And why is this so important? Because when we go on vacation, we pack the clothes that we love the most. Not a single person out there packs their uncomfortable pair of underwear, or the sweatshirt that doesn't fit quite right, or the t-shirt with a stain on it. When we travel, we pack our best of the best of the best, and we don't settle for anything less. So why should we settle for less when we're at home? So the main idea of this method is that you will pack your suitcase while you're preparing for a trip. What you're left with in your closet afterwards is either stuff that's out of season or the stuff you absolutely hate. The reason why this method is so effective is because you've already put your best stuff away in a suitcase or in an RV or in a backpack. You get the drift. And it takes some of that pressure off of you when you're choosing to declutter what's left in the closet, because you already know, well, I've packed my favorite dress, I've packed my favorite sweater, I've packed my best jacket. All of those things are already in my suitcase. And so you don't really have this like, oh no, I'm kind of missing out on something. Like maybe I shouldn't throw this away because I might want to wear it someday. You know, you've already put away your absolute favorite things. I'll give you a really quick example. So we've been packing for an RV trip, and I was going through all of our boys' clothes, and I was just like, oh, I don't know if I should throw this stuff away. I was having a really hard time going through their things. Now, they're 4 and 6, so they don't really know how to make these kinds of decisions when it comes to decluttering their clothing. So it falls on mom, right? So what I did is I asked my kids to pick out 5 shirts that they wanted to wear for their RV trip. After they picked those 5 shirts out, and I had everything packed aside that I knew that they absolutely needed, I put it into the RV. And then as I was doing laundry, something was happening. I was like, okay, I'm looking at these shirts that were remaining that I had washed. I don't even know why I had washed. They were stained. They were just kind of dull and dingy. They just weren't really looking that nice. And it just really freed me to let go of some of these extra t-shirts that the boys had. And I didn't feel guilty about it because I already knew that their favorite shirts were packed away in the RV and they were ready to go, and so was I. What do you do if you're not going to go on vacation? Maybe you're like, I don't go on vacation. I'm trying to get out of debt right now, or I'm in between jobs, or whatever the reason is why you might not go on a vacation. So the beauty of this method is that you can still do the exercise without actually packing for a real vacation. You can just mentally pull the things out of your closet. I recommend physically removing them from the closet and packing everything that you would wear for the trip, and then look at what's left and go from there. So you can still do this, even though maybe it's not as fun because you're like, I'm really not going on vacation, Andrea. I don't want to do this. This is stupid. I get it. But I really want to encourage you to try and see if it works for you. So in a sea of decluttering methods and minimalism and all of these buzzwords about living a simpler life, I'm hoping that this method today that I share with you is going to be the method to get you over your decluttering hurdles. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.